There we go. Oh look, it's even got a bulkhead.
Yeah, you can go down there first. Uninhabitable.
But they accept MasterCard and Visa.
I was going to say, what do you think that means?
Uninhabitable indeed, Tim. Seems to be sturdy though.
Yeah, it still looks steady.
Oh, there's the basement door. Yeah, it is pretty damn sturdy.
Yeah.
Get out! Big sign. Yeah, this is definitely a house at one point. How much asbestos do you think is in here?
I don't know, but that's so.
What?
I can't make out what that's saying.
I don't know. That'll be something we'll have to come back during the day. I'm going upstairs.
Tell me you just bought it.
I did,
Okay,
Tim.
good. I was just hoping that I would smell, you know, dead fucking sitting like demons or something.
It's got a deck. I want to go out on it.
Oh, there it is.
Well, what is?
Just gonna fucking hang down hair with right as it comes up.
You know, you scared the fuck out of me when you said, up there it is. Then you see a hole, and you're kind of like, I'm not fucking going up there.
Hand reaching down.
That's not cool, Tim. That's the stuff that gives you nightmares. It's got a really cool deck, though, back here. Look.
Yeah, I ain't touching none of this.
No, fuck no. I'll keep my hand in my pocket if you notice. I stopped biting my nails, too. Let's go check out the basement.
There's some nice woodwork here, though.
There is.
Smash up the ribs. Yep, I ain't touching it. Nope.
Do you want to go down?
Nope.
Alright. Go check out the little shed.
What are you guys doing here? Nothing. Oh, no, nothing.
Lady lives in there. It's got a really nice piece of property, though.
Yeah,
I'm caught.
it's caught on something.
Yeah, I know.
Ain't it good in there?
No, it's all junk. Not even a hit and miss engine. What the hell is that? A basketball.
It's an egg.
An egg. Alien egg. Yeah, I say the place is fire.